What is YouTube automation? Some people may also use the term YouTube automation to refer to the use of bots or scripts to perform actions on YouTube automatically, such as commenting, liking, or subscribing to channels. However, this practice is against YouTube's terms of service and can result in penalties, such as account suspension or termination. One of the main reasons people use YouTube automation is to save time and effort. By using specialized tools, they can automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflows, and reduce manual labor. For example, they can use SEO tools to find the best keywords to target, research competitors to learn what works well for them, and schedule videos to be published at optimal times. Another reason people may use YouTube automation is to scale their channels more quickly. By outsourcing content creation or using bots to perform actions, they can produce more videos or reach more people without having to do everything themselves. However, it is important to note that this approach may sacrifice quality or authenticity, which can lead to lower engagement or negative feedback from the audience. It is worth noting that YouTube automation is not a magic formula that guarantees success. Creating a successful YouTube channel requires a lot of work, dedication, and creativity. While automation tools can help with some aspects of the process, such as research or scheduling, they cannot replace the human touch that makes a channel stand out. Therefore, it is important to use automation wisely and in combination with other strategies, such as audience engagement, branding, and community building. In conclusion, YouTube automation can refer to different practices, from using specialized tools to outsourcing content creation or using bots to perform actions. While these approaches can save time and scale channels, they are not a substitute for hard work, quality, and authenticity. Therefore, it is important to use automation wisely and in combination with other strategies to create a successful YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to this channel. For more tips on YouTube, please check description.